Here's another article I got this week entitled Artificial DNA Breakthrough Controls Life. More about DNA. It may not be Frankenstein, but for the first time ever, scientists have created an organism controlled completely by human-made DNA. Using tools of synthetic biology, scientists from the J. Craig Venter Institute installed a completely artificial genome inside a host cell without DNA. Like the lightning bolt that awakened Frankenstein, the new genome made, and that's a pretty appropriate analogy there, Frankenstein. The new genome made of the human DNA invigorated the host cell, which began to grow and reproduce, albeit with a few problems. This is just plain God, is all this is. They're taking human-made DNA and artificial, and injecting them into a host cell without DNA. And then all of a sudden, when they do that, it invigorates itself and comes to life. The research marks a technical milestone in the synthesis and implementation of artificial DNA. Venter expects the research will lead to cheaper drugs, just what, really important there, and vaccines. Of course, we got to have that really, really super tainted vaccine now, and biofuels in several years. Oh, see, this is going to be the solution to all man's ills, is how they'll present it. And dozens of other companies and researchers are working toward the same goal. This is the first synthetic cell that's been made, said Venter. We call it synthetic because the cell is totally derived from a synthetic chromosome made with 4 bottles of chemicals on a chemical synthesizer, starting with the information in a computer. Hey, where do I sign up? I mean, this sounds great. I mean, what's not to be liked about this? Sounds natural to me. No, I'll just stick with whatever God made, because he didn't mess it up the first time he did it. It's a more abomination alert that we're talking about here.